All right, here we go with chapter 11 of A Dog's Purpose. And remember, as always, the comprehension questions are in the description below the video. Okay, you can do those with somebody from home. Here we go, chapter 11. When we got back home from the farm, Ethan went back to school and played football with his friends a lot. One day, we went to get Hannah for a visit. Ethan and I were so happy to see her. I wanted to play with her, but all Ethan wanted to do was hug her. That night, I got to go with Hannah to watch Ethan play football. Todd came up to us and said, "Hi, Bailey." Todd asked Ethan if she went to their school. Hannah told him she was friends with Ethan. "Do you want to go to a party with me?" Todd asked. "No, I went to wait for Ethan," Hannah said. Todd got very angry. Todd asked Hannah, "Is Ethan your boyfriend?" Because he's going out with another girl named Michelle. Todd touched Hannah on the shoulder and I growled. "Ask Ethan about Michelle," Todd said and walked away. Todd was angry and mean. When the game was over, Ethan ran up to Hannah and I, and he was very happy and excited. He saw that Hannah was angry and asked her what was wrong. "Who is Michelle?" Hannah asked. Ethan said, "I don't know Michelle. Who did you talk to?" Hannah said, "I don't remember. He knew Bailey, though." Ethan said, "Everyone knows Bailey. He comes to all of the football games." We went for a car ride home, and Hannah and Ethan seemed happy again. Hannah had to go back home, but she came back the day after the family sat around the indoor tree and tore up papers for Merry Christmas. I love that description. I wasn't very happy because Ethan gave Mom a new black and white kitten named Felix. Felix would jump on my tail and hit me with his little paws. When I tried to play with him, he would wrap his legs around my nose and bite me with his sharp teeth. I was happy when I got to go outside with Ethan and Hannah because Felix didn't go outside. We went sledding and were having fun when Todd drove up in his car. Todd stared at Ethan and Hannah with an angry look on his face. Ethan and Hannah walked up to Todd. "Hey, Todd," said Ethan, "this is Hannah." "We already met at the football game," said Todd. "He's the one I talked to about Michelle," Hannah said. Ethan got very angry. He said, "Todd, you are the person that told a lie to Hannah about Michelle? I don't even know Michelle." Todd said, "I have to go." "Why would you lie, Todd?" "That's why you don't have any friends. You're always doing stupid things," Ethan said. Todd looked at Ethan and then drove away. Todd was angry and mean. A few nights later, Ethan was tired and went to bed early. I went and took a walk around the neighborhood. When I got back home, I could tell something was wrong. The front door of the house was open, and I could smell a strong smell, like gas that Ethan would put in the car. Then I saw Todd pouring gas all over the bushes. Then he set some papers on fire and threw them into the bushes. Todd was angry and mean. The bushes in the front of the house quickly caught on fire. I ran up to Todd and jumped on him. Todd yelled and fell down and kicked at my face. I bit onto his foot and he screamed. His pants ripped and his shoe fell off and he was bleeding. I turned to see the house on fire and Todd ran away as fast as he could. I started barking and Mom and Dad came out of the house. Ethan was still upstairs in his bedroom. "Ethan!" Mom screamed. We looked up at Ethan's bedroom window. Just then, the flip came through Ethan's window, breaking the glass. I picked up to flip to show Ethan that I had it. "Mom!" Ethan yelled, coughing. "Jump out the window!" Mom and Dad yelled. Ethan jumped out of the window, but he fell in the burning bushes. Wow! I ran up to him and barked. His leg was badly hurt. Ethan looked at me and said, "Good dog, Bailey. You caught the flip." Mom and Dad went with Ethan to the hospital, and I stayed with Chelsea's mom. I was worried about Ethan and wanted to be with him. A policeman was looking around the house and found Todd's shoe and saw blood on it. Chelsea's mom asked a policeman, "Can someone look at Bailey? He has blood on him." Way to go, Chelsea's mom. The policeman looked at me and could see that the blood was from when I had bit Todd. The policeman followed the spots of blood to Todd's house, and Todd told them he had started the fire. We had to go live in an apartment for a while the house was being fixed. Ethan was in the hospital for a long time, and I was so sad that I didn't want to eat much at all. I wanted my boy to come back home. Wow, what an exciting chapter. All right, why don't you do the questions that go here with chapter 11, and then later this week you can hear what happens next in chapter 12.